Okay, so here's how we do this. I'm not sure if it was created as a page underneath a personal account or if it was created as a whole separate account, but I'm assuming it was probably created as a business page under an account. So this is how we do it. So obviously we're here in my personal page, so then we click pages. Obviously your Facebook page will obviously pop right up. And so one of two things here. So this is one of my landscaping companies. So what's going on up here is that this is the brand new page experience. They just launched this not even 2 months ago. So it just made things so much more difficult. We are still, because my picture's up here, we're still technically in my account, but we're viewing one of the pages, right? And so what we need to do is hit this button here, switch. And the reason for that is because we want to actually be in, um, uh, Pikes, essentially in the we want to be directly in Pike's options, essentially. So now, as you can see up here, we are in the actual business page. We want to click on that one more time. We want to go to settings and privacy. We want to hit settings again. We want to go over here to new pages experience. And then this is where it'll show anyone that's got access, obviously, to the page. So the owner of the company does, and then I do. So then what we want to go ahead and do is we want to add new. So let's just pretend, of course, I wasn't there. We want to hit add new. We want to hit next. And then here you can type in my name. However, email is going to find it instantaneously. So there's no searching that you've got to do. So Amanda, MEYER 395 at gmail.com. And then obviously I'm already in this one, so I can't, hit go or, whatnot. So, but that's all you have to do. And then you can hit submit, go, or whatever it says. And then it will send me a email notification to accept. So essentially just like the Google business page did.